is Damini, co-founder of VMix Scholars. Thanks for watching LearnFlix in Shorts. So today's video is only for Canada aspirants. A significant number of Indians choose to study in Canada, making it the third preferred choice after US and Australia. And most of these Indians opt to study there in colleges instead of universities, primarily because of low cost, and sometimes they do not qualify to get into universities and hence they go for colleges. At the post-graduation level, most of these colleges offer diploma instead of degree. Now when it comes to getting an education loan for this, many students hear a no from the banks. See, not all banks can offer loans for diplomas, but then there are still a plenty of them who can fund such programs as per their policies, just that their branch managers don't know this. So let me tell you what are your loan options when it comes to studying PG diploma in Canada. So if you do not have a collateral, you can get an unsecured loan from NBFCs in India who can give you up to 25 lakhs maximum at a rate of interest of 12.5 to 13.75%. Contrarily, private banks do not give loans for such programs as an unsecured loan. If you have a collateral, then you must go for government banks as their rate of interest and other commercials are very low. See, most of the government banks have the policies to fund for PG diploma with some restrictions on the loan amount, but it is highly probable that if you directly go to the branch and talk to the branch manager, they'll totally deny funding such programs. If you're facing any such issue at any nationalized bank, public or private in India, please reach out to your VMix Scholars financial officer. They will talk to the branch manager and resolve this concern. But I wouldn't suggest you to even get to this stage. Why don't you, start your loan process via VMix Scholars so that such issues won't even come up. If you haven't been assigned a financial officer yet, you can request a call back using the link mentioned above. And for your information, all the services of VMix Scholars are completely free of cost as we are funded and supported by the Ministry of IT, Government of India. For further details like how to get money for GIC from your education loan and to check your eligibility, you must watch my detailed video on Canada Education Loan, which is episode 18th of LearnFlix web series. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to put it in the comments below and I shall get back to you. If you like this video and if you appreciate the effort we put in to bring this information out to you, then please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular updates. Please like and share this video with your friends and colleagues who might be in need of funds for their abroad studies. Keep watching LearnFlix.
Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss any updates from us.